Okay. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So I'm starting the video like this because I just did something stupid. So between my bed and the wall, there's like a gap in between. And I was getting ready to do laundry and I dropped my card. And I dropped my card somewhere at the back of here. Bed. So now I gotta figure out a way to get it out. I don't have a stick, so this will have to do.
Several days later.
Hi. So I just woke up, that's why my voice may sound a bit different and my face looks really ugly. I'm gonna keep this intro short. So today we're going to this food truck carnival at Semaphore Beach. I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing it right, but that's where we're going. That's a food truck carnival and we're just going there to have fun. We're gonna eat and stuff. And since it's at the beach, it's outside from the city, so we have to commute there. We're going there by bus, I guess. Oh my god, my voice.
Okay, I look sick here, but I swear it gets better, so just keep on watching till the end. And I was fine after I showered, in case you're worried, to whoever is worried, maybe my parents.
So right now it's 11:20. I have to take a shower because I haven't took a shower yet. And to be honest, I have no idea what to wear, so I'm gonna figure that out later. But for now, I'm just gonna shower and I need to charge my camera, so that's why I'm making this intro first. So I'll see you once the battery is fully charged. Bye. I'm back. So I'll show you my outfit in a minute. It took me forever to find my outfit and I'm sort of happy with it, I guess. So this is how it looks. I'm just wearing this floral t-shirt with a yellow t-shirt and this pants that kind of flares out. And for my hair, I tried curling it. I tried curling it, but it didn't work out, so I just put in a bun and it looks better in the mirror then. Yeah, so that's my outfit. And I'll be wearing it with this shoe. I'll show you my full outfit in a minute. I have never worn anything like this before because of my insecurities, but today I'm just gonna say fuck it and I'm just gonna go with what I wanna do, I guess. So this is a better view of my outfit. I got this from a thrift shop and this is just a yellow t-shirt and a tie and flare pants and my furry slipper. It's not a bad look actually. I'm going to my friend's place because I don't have sunscreen, so I'm gonna get sunscreen. Hi, I look so fancy today. I need sunblock. I'm not hungry. That's why there's a lot of food truck.
So the thing sticking out of my pants is actually my room card. This pants doesn't have any pockets at all. So throughout the entire day, I was just stuffing my phone and my wallet inside my pants.
You know you're Asian as hell when you have an umbrella on a sunny day. It kind of feels like a desert. Say hi. Okay. Hi! So, the bus comes once every hour.
I want to walk. Walk you an hour.
we wait for another 40 minutes, 20 minutes. Unfortunately, your driver had to cancel. I don't know. Finding a new ride. Don't accept them. Yeah. So we took a bus instead, and then we cancel on the Uber. So now we're just walking to the beach. My phone is coming up. Ugh. Okay, fine. I guess we're doing this. I wore a furry slipper today, so we're gonna do this. Do you have a plastic bag? Like put shoes?
I'm just a fool to keep on chasing after nothing great. You're just a fool to keep pretending that you're loving me. I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
We are here.
Half an hour.
It took us half an hour to get here.
Wow.
Why does it look zooming? Because it is. It's 5:46. Yeah, give 88 photos. To get a shelter.
What my face is this one?
So she shook her head too much, and then she lost one side of her earring. So now we're walking to find it while Anna is buying a drink. So we still can't find the earring. So now she's left with one side of the earring. And I see Anna with the juice. I'm thirsty. Hey, I apologize for the mess. It's a bit messy at the back there. But I don't think I filmed much at all. I don't even know what I filmed. So I'm gonna edit this video soon and we'll find out whether I have filmed anything at all or something at least, I'm still full from lunch, but I still feel like eating something. So I just made like a fruit salad with yogurt. Yeah. So this is my dinner for today. That's it for today's video, I guess. And I'll see you next time.